Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a steady income using a simple copy-paste method. I have been working in YouTube automation for the last 4 years, managing multiple channels. One of these channels recently hit 250 million views in a single month, resulting in $7,000 in earnings. Currently, this channel is bringing in $450 to $500 every single day just through copy-pasting. There's a common myth that you can't make money from shorts, but the numbers speak for themselves. In this guide, I will break down exactly what this content is, how to write the scripts, and how to edit everything using only your mobile phone. Understanding the content strategy. This style is known as commentary shorts.
This little kid had no idea he was about to create a new supervillain. Why is she dumping liquid nitrogen onto the floor? At first,
The concept is simple. You take interesting clips from TikTok or Instagram and provide your own unique commentary over them. How to find viral clips. The pro secret. You don't need to spend hours scrolling. Here is the easiest way to find winning content. Find a successful competitor in this niche. Open their video description. Check the credits. They usually list the original creator's handle, marked IG for Instagram or TT for TikTok. Search that handle to find the original source video. Note on copyright. By adding your own voice, script, and editing, the video becomes a transformative work. This falls under fair use, meaning your channel can be monetized without copyright strikes or reused content issues. The step-by-step workflow 1. Scripting via ChatGPT. Copy the link of a successful video you want to emulate. Use a YouTube transcript generator tool online to get the text. Paste that text into ChatGPT with a specific prompt to rewrite it. This gives you a fresh, original script that matches the perfect viral length. 2. Professional AI voiceover. Head to 11 Labs and select the voice named Alex. Generate the audio and download it to your phone. 3. Mobile editing in CapCut Base. Layer. Import your clip and mute the original audio entirely. Audio. Add your AI voiceover and ensure the volume is at maximum. Engagement. Zoom in on key moments to keep the viewer's attention. Visual aids. Add elements like red circles or arrows. Use keyframes to make these elements follow the action, for example, tracking a person's movement. Transitions. Apply a fade-out animation set to 0.2 seconds to your overlays for a smooth look. Sound design. Add whoosh or pop sound effects exactly when your visual cues appear. Atmosphere. Add background music at 25% volume. It should be audible but shouldn't overpower the voice. Captions. Use the auto captions feature. Shrink the size slightly and position them in the center top for better readability. Let's go for the results.
Bodybuilding competition, this athlete was permitted only one cheat meal, but instead of settling for a single donut, he came up with a clever idea. He picked up 7 donuts, smashed them all together into one giant cheat treat, and then demolished it like it was the final meal of his life.
As you can see from the final result, the video is high quality and highly engaging. I've simplified the process so that anyone can do this from their phone. I hope you like the video. See you guys in the next video.